Hello everyone, let's look at a new feature that allows you to set a custom user profile folder during the initial setup of Windows 11. So as you can see on the screen, I already started a clean installation of Windows 11, but this time using the preview build 26300.8068 from the dev channel. So now I'm going to start with the initial configuration. And here's the page. First, let's make a note that this particular page has been renamed and now it's called Name Your Device. And from here, you can specify your computer name. And in here, you're going to notice a new option called Show Advanced Options. And when we click that, we are going to have access to the user folder name option. So traditionally, when you perform a clean installation of Windows 11, or you create a new account using a Microsoft account, the system will take the first few characters from the email address and that will become the name for the user folder. But now this option is going to simplify and users will be able to actually specify a custom name for a particular account. So in here, we just need to specify a name. And as you can see, you can use spaces or special characters other than hyphen, dashes and underscore. So let's just use admin01. And if you also want, you can set a device name. I'm just going to call it Panda. So now we have those two settings, and then we can continue with the actual setup of the operating system. I'm setting up a Windows 11 Pro, so that's why I have this page. I'm just going to select personal use, and then I'm just going to continue with the setup. Now I'm going to set up the first account for the computer. And as you can see, I'm going to be using a Microsoft account. Now I'm just going to create a pen. I'm just going to skip the backup restore. Now, to see if we actually have a custom name for the user profile folder, we're going to go to File Explorer, and then we're going to go to this PC. We're going to drill down and open the users folder. And as you can see, this is the name that we specified during the setup. And even though I use a Microsoft account, user and email address, I have a custom name for the actual profile folder. Now, it is important to note that this feature is actually not new. Microsoft have been working on this for some time now, and previously we actually have to invoke command prompt during the initial setup and run a specific script in order to process the name that we want to use for the folder, but that's no longer the case. And that's it. That was a quick look at the new user folder name option that you're going to see in future releases of Windows during the initial setup. Let me know in the comments what you think about this option. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.